iPhone settings you need to turn off right away. If this setting is on your iPhone, it brings out two things. One, it compromises your privacy and security, and second, it drains up your battery very fast. So watch this video to the end and turn off these settings so that your privacy on your iPhone will be highly secured, then your battery will last longer than expected. Let's dive in as we continue. Tap on the settings button, then scroll up until you get to privacy and security. Tap on it. So inside privacy and security, we're going to do a lot of things here. So now scroll up to this page until you see analytics and improvement. Tap on it. So inside analytics and improvement, make sure that every button here is turned off. If you turn on these settings, you are sharing your information with Apple, which might not be a good idea. So make sure that everything here is turned off. Make sure you turn off share iPhone analytics is turned off, share iCloud analytics is turned off, improve Siri and dictation is turned off, improve assertive voice feature turned off, then improve AR location accuracy. Make sure everything here is turned off. Now tap on the back arrow once, then tap on Apple advertising. Once tap on this button, make sure that personalized ad is turned off. Turn off personalized ad will limit Apple ability to deliver relevant ads to you, but will not reduce the number of ads you receive. So make sure that this button is turned off. If yours is turned on, make sure it's turned off. Now tap back here until you get to the privacy and security again. Now from here, scroll up again and tap on location services. So at the very top of this page, tap on location services. Once tap on location services, there are some things you need to turn off here, because if this is on, it's definitely sharing your location with Apple. So scroll up here until you see the location services and tap on system services. Once tap on system services, there are some information here that you need to turn off, because this sharing your location with Apple is not that okay. Like alert and shortcut automation, tap on it to toggle it off. Then Apple Pay merchant identification, tap on it to toggle it off. Cell network search, tap on it to toggle it off. Then compass calibration, I suggest you toggle this one off. Then emergency and call, that is OSOS, leave that one. If you are using Find My iPhone, leave that one. Then home, you may leave that one or you turn it off. Then other thing that I want to turn off here is locate and turn off wireless and networking. Tap on it and turn this off. Even with that wireless, and you can still do something. Then setting time zone, turn this as well off. So you can take your time and turn off any other thing that you need to turn off here. Then another thing that you need to turn off is here, is this under product improvement. Make sure that everything here is turned off. Improve location accuracy, turn it off, because Apple is sharing your location, your iPhone is sharing your location with your Apple. Then iPhone analytics, turn it off. Routing and traffic, turn it off. Then improve maps, turn it off. So once you've turned this off, your security, your privacy is a bit secure. Go ahead and tap on this button, significant location, tap on it. Once tap on it, it requires your face ID. Now I will recommend you turn this off. You can see that from February 3rd to March 29, this device has recorded 122 position for me. So tap on it and turn it off. Just turn this off. Now that I've turned it off, then scroll up again and tap on clear X-ray. Tap on it, then tap on clear X-ray to wipe out everything here. So tap on clear X-ray to clear X-ray here. Now that I've done that, we are almost done with this. So the next thing we want to do now is settings that we need to do to improve the battery lifespan on our iPhone, because a lot of people are complaining about iPhone battery lifespan. It's not because the iPhone battery lifespan is bad, it's because there are some settings you ignore. So far guys, if you enjoy what I've been explaining in this video and you've not subscribed, please take few seconds, it's free of charge, tap on that subscribe button and let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. So now go to the settings and tap on it, then scroll up a bit, tap on general. Now from general, locate and tap on background app refresh, tap on it. Make sure that this button is turned off. Background app refresh is turned off. If you turn it on like this or is under Wi-Fi and it comes out like this, it means all apps here will be refreshing on your background and thereby consuming more of your iPhone and your iPhone battery. So I suggest you turn it off, so each time you open this app it pop up and give you whatever you want. So that is very good idea. Make sure you turn it off on your iPhone. The next settings you're going to talk about is still under settings. So once you're under settings, scroll down to the base of this page, tap on apps. Once you tap on apps, then go and tap on mail, or you tap on the M button at the side here. So once you tap on that, it brings to this interface, then tap on mail. Under mail, then tap on your account, that is mail account, tap on it. Once you tap on mail account, make sure you tap on fetch new data to open it up. Now you can see that a lot of in here, my Gmail is here, iCloud is here, and this consume of my data. So the first thing you have to do is to make sure you tap on manual. It means you manually refresh this app each time you open it. Then go to each of these app and tap on it, tap on manual. If you allow it to fetch, it means it runs on the background of your iPhone and this consume your battery. So now as well, tap on this button to toggle it. Also, these little settings guys, your iPhone battery will last longer than expected. So if you have not done that, go ahead and do this as soon as you watch this video to the end. The last setting here that you need to turn off to improve the battery health of your iPhone is still under this place. Under settings, then scroll up and tap on display and brightness. Once you tap on that button, then it comes out like this. There are some settings you need to turn off here. The first thing is to be sure that the true tone is turned on. If it's turned off on your own, make sure you tap on it and turn it on. Then manually adjust the brightness of your phone to where it suits you, but make sure it's not too high, because the higher it be like this, the more battery it consumes. So set it somewhere like this and make sure that the true tone is turned on. So once you're able to do this guys, then your iPhone will last longer, and these settings also prevent your privacy. If you enjoy what I've explained as I've said and you've not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this. See you soon guys on my next video.